Good afternoon and welcome to a very warm Pickett, Wisconsin on this 26th day of May 2026. It is hot, and I'm not kidding. Look at the weather widget here. It's showing 85 degrees. I didn't see what the humidity was, but it's not super comfortable. And I guess maybe I've really lost my Florida touch because this is really uncomfortable for me. I'm not really enjoying this. And some of the engines I'm trying to run today too are also saying it's too hot. But on the stand today, I've got, once again, this is probably the third or fourth time I've had this particular engine on the stand, the Saito FA-72a engine that I got in January from a swap meet with a strip glow plug head. I don't know how to go about telling you where to find all the videos for this because I don't think I made a playlist, or maybe I can make a playlist on this to call it Saito 72 stripped head. Something like that so you can go and watch all those things. I don't want to go through all the iterations. All I can tell you though is, Mike, thank you very much once again. Buddy of mine, Mike, installed a helicoil in this engine and it didn't hold. I was changing glow plugs out and the helicoil came out with a plug. So I sent the head back to him. Mike thinks he said I think I know what I did wrong or whatever, and he put another helicoil in, and I've changed plugs on this thing several times and it's holding well. So I actually want to do a run showing this engine running properly. At least it was running properly and very nice when I ran it probably a week or so ago when the temperature was half of what it is now. So let's see how it's going to run right now. And hopefully we'll get a nice sounding Saito engine run here. Oh, and by the way, I'll add this. If you liked what I had been doing with two camera angles, where one was angling at the front of the engine and one was a side view like this, sorry, I lost a camera today and I don't have a replacement. So until something changes, I got one camera again now. So anyway, let's run an engine. Okay, let's run this engine. Full throttle. Prime. Good prime. Back it off. Let's do this just to make sure we don't have it over primed. I might have to flip my starter cone around. I mentioned how warm it is today. I'm wondering if this engine is not liking the heat at all, because I had it tuned really well the other day and it's seeming like it's not liking this heat right now. It's running pretty warm. Okay, so good run. It's, you know, it's just hot. It's really warm out here today, and the engines are heating up, and obviously they're not getting as much cooling on the stand as they would if they were in the air on an airplane, depending on your cowl configuration. But I mean, this engine is running really well. It did not have that kind of hesitation issue on transition a week or so ago when I ran it and the temperature was not nearly as warm as it is now. That was also in the garage, so it was, you know, no direct sunlight, but still. Nice running engine. Thank you, Mike, for fixing this head once again. What happens with this engine from here on out is you probably won't see it running anymore just because I've run it so many times early in the season. I've got a lot of other engines to run. But anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching.